Norval Sinclair Marley was a Jamaican Marine. He was famous for being the father of the reggae musician Bob Marley. He was born in Jamaica to Albert Thomas Marley, who was from Sussex in England, and Ellen Broomfield, a Syrian Jewish Jamaican. He traveled to England, where he joined the British Army in August 1916 at Liverpool, enlisting in the Labour Corps' Home Service. He had previously been employed as a ferroconcreter in Cuba. Marley's mother, Chadella Booker, began her romance with Captain Marley, a colonial supervisor, when he was 60 years old and she was merely 17. Norval Marley's family was made up of white Jamaicans from the parish of Clarendon. He was relocated for work purposes to St. Anne, where Chadella had grown up and resided. She gave birth to their son Robert Nesta Marley on the 6th of February 1945. No other children arose from this relationship. The couple split after a short time. Bob Marley, at his own admission, never really came to know his father. Bob was about 10 years old when Norval Marley died of a heart attack in 1957.